In this video we discuss graphing of results obtained using the Select Units action. See video Select Units for review. In this example, we have selected 6 pairs of units from the control and exp source files using Select Units. The unit columns were sorted individually using Sort Unit selection. The results are shown below. We select the GraphUnit selection action. Presentation options are available at the top of the screen. You can use a logarithmic scale. You can use minimum value adjustment for ease of comparison. The precision of the X and Y axis scales can be adjusted. At the bottom of the screen, you see the default name that will be assigned to the graph. This name can be modified. You have 2 graphing options. The Analysis Graph option uses the data displayed on Analysis Worksheet. The Group Sort Graph option uses the data from a previous group sort operation, found in Worksheet Group Sort. In this example, we choose the Analysis Graph option and select 5 units. Click Graph to generate the graph. The graph appears on the Analysis Worksheet, superimposed over the existing content. The legend at the bottom identifies the units by color. The numbers for the y-axis are unreadable. Go to GraphUnit selection again. Set the y-axis precision to 10. No other input is needed. Click Adjust Axis. The scale of the y-axis is now readable. Experiment with the other settings to see the effects on the display. Note: the graph displayed on the Analysis Worksheet is dynamic. If you change the data from which the graph was produced, the graph will immediately change. Below left, we see the first 8 values for ABCC4, represented by the blue line. Below center, the first value of ABCC4 has been changed from 73 to 43. The graph reflects this change. By design, the data is not locked on the Analysis Worksheet. Be sure to exercise caution when modifying values. The action Restore Pre-Graph Values can be used to return to the values as they were before graphing occurred. In this example, we sort a group of columns together. Unit ARL17B has been designated as the primary. The other 4 checked units are secondary. The result is shown in Worksheet Group Sort, below right. ARL17B is shown to the left. Its values are sorted. The other units maintain their connection with ARL17B's values. When the group graph is displayed on the Analysis Worksheet, the supporting data is copied from the Group Sort worksheet so that the graph and data can be viewed side by side. Click Restore Pre-Graph Values to clear the graph and return the previously displayed data. You may want to generate and save a series of graphs, adding or deleting along the way. Select the Manage Graphs action. The available options are shown. Saved graphs are saved in a worksheet called Save Graph. These saved graphs are snapshots of the originals. They are no longer dynamic. In this example, checking 2 and 3 tells Ranger to add the current graph to Save Graph and remove it from the Analysis Worksheet. Any graphs already in Save Graph are retained. Here we have generated graphs for Control and EXP for the same 5 units, saving graphs to Save Graph. Note: when a graph is added to Save Graph, it may overlap an existing graph. Using the mouse, you can rearrange the graphs. Action Clear Unit Analysis is used to remove the output of the GraphUnits actions. Note: the Save Graph worksheet is not affected by the Clear Unit Analysis action. This concludes our discussion of graphing selected units.